the Creeper Nature documentary. The characters are Boom Boom and Boomy. And hey yo, this is my nature documentary. Let's start. Like the cameraman of this episode. We're in the shade now. Alright, here comes Boomy. Look who's after the cameraman. So, there's a lot of little bugs and wildlife, like ants and bees and caterpillars. There's also some nice nature, like the trees over there. Some nice trees. And look, let's take a tour around the backyard. The giant dirt circle. Dirt. What? Dirt. Yes, dirt. Let's go. Okay, now Colton's the cameraman. There is the dark shed. And also this dead tree. Those trees. And those trees. And the creepers.